It's Tuesday, May 31st, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today I'm going to answer the question of, can I request a property tour through Zillow? And the answer is yes and no. So you can absolutely put your request in through Zillow, but it's not confirmed until you are connected with an agent. So I want to show you using a real life example of a currently active listing. This is 702 Mountain Avenue in Westfield, and it's listed for $1.299 million. This is listed by my colleague, so when I put the request in, it's going to be fake, but it'll be okay because it's their listing. So after I look through the photos and read all the information, I find out, okay, this house is for me. I really, really like it, right? So I'm going to request a tour with this button here, and it's going to ask me when I want to see the property. So let's say tomorrow I want to see it and I'm available at lunchtime. I can step out for a half an hour at 12 p.m. All right. So I'm going to request this time. Now here's my name. I'm going to put in my contact information. Zillow already knows me because I'm already always using it. And it says I'm interested in 702 Mountain Avenue in Westfield, and now I'm going to request a visit. You can decide if you want to uncheck this financing box if you're already pre-approved, or if maybe you're not, or you just want some other options, you can do that. So I'm clicking request visit. It says you've requested a tour of 702 Mountain Ave on Wednesday, June 1st at 12 p.m. And then a Zillow representative is going to be in touch with me and connect me with a local agent who will then help me with the tour and discuss available tour options. So sometimes when I get calls in from Zillow, because I am a Zillow Premier agent, people will say, oh, well, I've already requested a tour, or I already put in for a time for tomorrow, at this time frame. You requested that time frame, but it's not until you actually speak with me and I confirm that that time is available that we can say, yes, the appointment is confirmed. Example, let's say that it's an owner-occupied home. Someone still lives there, they're selling their house. You can't just waltz up in there at 12 o'clock thinking that no one's gonna be home just because you put that request in on Zillow. I, as the agent, have to look up the official listing details and either reach out to the seller's agent or go into our online showing portal where I can officially request the time that you're looking for. So this property on Mountain Avenue, I've requested 12 p.m. tomorrow, but until I speak with someone, I don't actually know that that is confirmed. So I wanted to clear that up because some people are confused when they call in about that and they say that they have an appointment, but you can't just book an appointment. You don't know if someone's in the home or if it's even available to show at the time that you're requesting to see it. So now, let's go to my inbox. And I'm going to refresh this so you can see the text that I got. Sorry, it's a little slow. Okay, so this is not on this property. The text didn't come in fast enough, but I did another sample request before this. So this is the message you get to your phone. Thank you for contacting Zillow. We'll be reaching out shortly to help you with your request. And then it says, Ashley, hi Ashley, Alex here from Zillow, got your request to tour 74 Ashford Ave in Summit. Are you free now to discuss? If I respond and say yes, they're gonna call me and they're gonna connect me to an agent live on the phone, a live person on the phone. This here is just an automated thing. You're not actually speaking to Alex from Zillow. It's automated system to make sure that your request is answered in a timely fashion. But I really wanted to go over this because it causes so much confusion with buyers. And when you're on Zillow, it's a portal that a lot of people are using to search for homes. So I wanted to make sure you guys understood how that worked. If you have any question about the way Zillow works, please feel free to give me a call. As I said, I'm a Premier agent, so I understand the ins and outs of it. If it's a Zillow specific question that, I might have to connect you with a Zillow teammate for, then I will do so. But just let me know if you have any questions about requesting tours through Zillow. If you're already working with me or not working with me yet, just call me, tell me the property address, and I'll pull up all the details and get the showing for you so there's no confusion. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's topic. I will see you guys next week. Enjoy the start of June and have a great rest of your day.